of 2D and 3D design in nail art. Nail art is a creative process. Like all creative processes, planning is very important to help to realise the idea. Planning helps you understand what you need, resources, what order to do things in, method, and how to do things, technique. In order to plan a nail art look, you need an idea. Ideas can come from all sorts of places. You can copy designs, combine two or more techniques, or you can experiment with something completely new. You can get ideas from the web, TV, magazines, from history, from fashion, and from the world around you. You can create mood boards or scrapbooks with your ideas in. You could include cuttings, photos, samples of colours and textures. Once you have an idea, it's good practice to put those ideas onto a 2D design, for example, a drawing on paper. Print off a simple nail-shaped design, and this will help you see if your idea is realistic. You can experiment with colours and patterns and sketch out your ideas. You can use this sketch to determine your resources, method and technique. Once you have your idea mapped out on paper, you can try out your designs as a 3D look. You can use your nail tips or a model. The 3D experience will need to include ideas about dealing with a curved nail shape, skin and cleanliness, real products and how they are applied or attached and how long they take to dry, set and the way to seal and protect them. An important factor to consider is passing on aftercare advice to clients to improve the longevity of their nail designs. 2D designs can help you experiment and keep records and ideas with little cost. 3D designs can help you practice techniques. Adding nail tips to a board or transferring your designs to nail pops can be a good tool to show off your design ideas to clients. They also give you a reference to work from. In this tutorial, you have learnt about the basics of 2D and 3D designs and their uses.